Hey, welcome back to DeLoney V8 Motorsports. Exciting news, as you've seen, we are back to plan A. We have got some parts for the old Buick and we're gonna build an engine. So the plan A was gonna be the 400 small block I got from my buddy Brett, and we were gonna build something out of it, and that's now the plan again. I've been going around the world, seems like, around in circles, found a few deals on some engines, had some people reach out. I've been driving my friends crazy talking about it. Anybody that would listen, I asked if they had small block Chevy stuff for sale. Anyway, so we got some parts today. We picked up a whole package from John Asman. He has got a white 66 Chevelle with a Lenco, and he races with the Super Shifters guys here at Woodburn. I'll put a little clip in there of the car. So yeah, this thing should put together a very nasty small block Chevy. John was wanting to keep his Dart block, so he had a Dart little M small block, and so we're gonna put all these parts into a GM 400 block. But before I go any further, I gotta say thanks to my buddy Steve Parker. My buddy Steve, I've known him since 1977, since middle school. And he called me last Saturday and we talked and talked, and he basically listened, and I talked through all my options for the motors. I've been driving everybody crazy, been shopping and talking to folks, and had some great offers. A really nice motor out of Salem. There was another one in California. I'm trying to kind of take the easy way out and buy an engine that's already put together. We're not gonna do that. We're gonna send this block to the machine shop and we're gonna assemble it. So it's gonna be exciting. But yeah, thanks Steve for talking that through. For whatever reason, at the end of that call, I'd made my decision. I went and bought this stuff from John, and I think it's a good package. Let me show you what I got. So these are Dart Pro 1 230 cylinder heads, aluminum. These things are light too. And they have got titanium retainers. It has got I believe that's a China intake manifold, but it is port matched to those heads. And so that's gonna work good. And it's an Eagle rotating assembly. So that's an Eagle steel crank and Eagle rods. And those are Molle coated pistons, and they're 13.5 to 1. Also in the deal, which was awesome, and this is just one set of them, is Jezel valve train, Jezel rocker arms. And so it's also got Crower roller lifters. Everything has low hours on it. I'll say something under 50 passes and I don't know, a couple hundred street miles, maybe something like that. And so pretty low hours on this engine, and I'm hoping to be able to just kind of clean everything up and put it back together once we get the old block over there machined. And so that's going to be the next thing, is get that back out of the car after I do a little more mock-up and get it machined. So, but yeah, John took good care of me, packed everything up really nice. It all looks like it's in great shape, and even got a set of valve covers out of the deal. And so push rods, everything. It's really a complete set. I'll need to buy oil pump, probably an oil pan. I'm gonna need a timing set. So I'll just get a, whatever true roller timing set for it. I'm not gonna do a belt drive on this one. Yeah, put the thing together. So it's going to need either bearing spacers or thicker bearings. That is, this crank has 350 mains. That's what the Dart little M block had in it. Whereas the GM block has 400 mains, which are a little bit bigger. So I will talk to the machinist and find out what the recommendation is there. So looking forward to this. It's been quite a while. Like I say, I kind of bounced around with different options and ideas and drove everybody nuts, especially my wife, on what to do. And we ended up with this thing. It is roller cam as well. It's a comp custom grind roller cam. This thing was actually dyno. This was a roundy round build. It was a backup motor for somebody. It made 672 horsepower at 7,000 RPM. So that should shove this old Buick definitely into the 10-second range. And so looking forward to that. Still gonna take a while to get this thing put together. It seems like it's been coming further and further apart, but we're gonna get it painted, we're gonna get it assembled, get it machined, and this thing's gonna be on the road in 2026. That's the goal. We're driving it out the driveway. That's the first goal, and then racing it. Thanks for watching.